but he was looking at her, yeah, all funny in the eye. She said, come on boy, tell me what you're thinking now, don't be shy. He said, alright, I'll try. All the stars up in the sky and the leaves in the trees, all the broken bits that make you chip up and grassy bits in between. All the matter in the world, that's how much that I like you. She said, what? He said, let me try and explain again. Birds can fly so high, or they can shit on your head, yeah. They can almost fly into your eye and make you feel so scared. But when you look at them and you see that they're beautiful, that's how I feel about you. Right, birds can fly so high and they can shit on your head, yeah. They can almost fly into your eye and make you feel well scared. But when you look at them and you see that they're beautiful, that's how I feel about you. Yeah, that's how I feel about you. Right, she said, thanks, I like you too. He said, cool.